For this video, I'm going to show you how to actually take the web form that you created in Aweber and place it onto your squeeze page. So the first thing you need to do, of course, is have generated a web form, and you need to have a list going with it, which has already been covered. So what we're going to do is on the left-hand side, whichever squeeze page you're working with, because you may have multiple ones, you're going to make sure that one is selected, that the one you're working with is the one that you're going to use. So we're just going to go down here and we're going to grab a form here. So I'm going to go over here to this particular product, and we'll just choose web forms. And then what I'm going to do is choose create a new web form. And we'll go up here to where it says popular, and I'm going to go with a basic. Let's just go with this pointer web form, and I'll choose load template. And what I'm going to do here now is put in. We can actually hit the X there to kind of bring that up, and we'll just keep this form down here. Email marketing by Aweber. When you're making your form, if you have an affiliate ID, you can actually put that in there. So you can choose if you want to have that or not. I'm just going to choose remove. We'll keep the email privacy policy, that's important. And then as far as name goes, you can choose if you want to say first name or full name. And I'm just going to edit that and say first name. That way they don't feel like they have to put in all their info. And we're just going to go to step 2 here, and we'll say example web form. And then scroll down here, make sure Facebook integration is not checked. Make sure that is left like it is. As far as thank you page goes, you can go with a basic thank you page. We can go with the audio thank you page, which is Aweber voiceover artist telling you, to click on the confirmation box. Then you've got a smart video version, which is confirmation with our smart video, and then a custom page, which is to use your own URL. And so that would be an option, like if you had a thank you page, and that would go right here. It'd be like youroffer.com/thankyou.html or free/thankyou.html. So that's how that would go. And then already subscribed page, I just leave as the basic version. And for now, we'll just go with the basic version, which is just a page Aweber has set up. So let's go here. Whoops, Facebook integration we do not want. So we'll come down here and go to step 3. It's going to ask me to save my web form. And we have other videos where we go into more detail on creating your web form, but this was a basic one. And the most important part here is you want to choose I will install my web form. And you have two options here. You have a raw HTML version and a JavaScript. Most of the time, the easiest one to work with is the JavaScript, and it gives you, it's probably the easiest one to work with. And the raw HTML is better if you're a little more advanced at it. So for starting out, the JavaScript will be just fine. So you can right-click, choose copy. And then what you're going to do is open up the squeeze page that you're working with in Composer. Again, Composer is the file you use to create your squeeze page. Right here, in some of the templates you have, it might say Insert Autoresponder Code here. So what you're going to do here is just highlight the place where you want the code to go. Go up here to the top right, choose Insert, and then select HTML. And over that part where it says Insert HTML, I'm going to do two things first. I'm going to do a caret to the left, which is found right next to the M key. Type the word center. Do a caret or an arrow to the right, and type in, and then leave it like it is. And then hit right click on my mouse and paste. That's going to paste the script in. And then at the end of that script, right here, I'm going to do another caret or arrow to the left, / type in center, then another caret to the right, and then I'm going to choose insert. And when I do that, you're going to see that it says script has been entered. So then all we have to do here is we're just going to save this page, go to our actual, go to the actual file where you're working with the squeeze page, and double click on it, and we'll open it up in a browser. And there you have it. The web form is now live and on our web page. So to get to a web form to install it, again, you have to have a web form created. If you already have a web form created, you can just simply go in and choose Publish. So go to any of the web forms, choose Publish, and it's going to take you straight to the page where you will install your web form. Grab the code, right-click, go into where you want the code to go in your Aweber installation, choose Insert HTML, and you're just going to paste in that HTML. And the reason you do the center part is so that it shows up correctly, once it's set up there. So you want to make sure that you center it so then it shows up correctly. So now you're going to put in, you can test it out. So you put John testing at gmail.com, and we'll choose sign up now. And it should take me to a page that says you're almost done, activate your subscription. So now you know it works, or if you had it going to a custom thank you page, it would redirect there. So that's a simple way to use Composer and Aweber's code to establish and set up a squeeze page.